Kaya not good. Out of bounds. Ball stays to white ball.
Waikot, tala! Kada!
The team minute to number 10. Number 09, number 27 is his hands. To be awarded to number 09. Number 37 is first person foul. First foul. White ball. Second foul. Number 13, Simon. Not good. To the cover, pass over. 09. There's a result number 13. That's two shots. First result foul number 3, first team, second team foul.
Kinakabahan niyo.
For the first 09 is Quebec. And for the second two in the rebound. There's a result. Make the relation. That clock is 21 seconds. Sabi, 5 minutes and 31 seconds. Running score 3 against the Suns. Number 9, short. Number 9 is number the ball to the play. To the second third, short. Number 10, number 10. There's a result. Alega carrying the ball.
Ano, tunga ni Gado, tunga!
Anelto.
Dada yan, dada.
Submission. Short. Big number 9 to 18. Number 18 number 9. Number 18. Green. 2 points here for the number 18. There's a lead. One done. 4 minutes and 2 seconds in the first period. The running score. 5 is on. 5 points in favor of team. Wise Ambassador. Back to the game. Ready, second personal foul. Ready, foul. For the second to on. 11. White sees the ball on the number 11. Short. Back away to the 10, forward, with number 3 to the 10. Feel that good. Number 10, pushing foul. Number 10 is personal foul for penalty. Black Ambassador. Substitution.
Number 10.
Traveling violation. Traveling 1 minute and 40 seconds in the first period. Short. Out of bounds. Number 16, Lily Park, 2 points here. That is the first point of the game of Black Ambassador. Time out. White Ambassador. White is warning for the delay.
Awal terus ah. Awal terus.
There's a result. Number 3 position versus foul number 3.
Lock ang warning ato ha. Lock to. Warning for delaying.
Go! Kuya, last shot na kuya, last shot! Last shot! Last shot, last shot! Yeah!
5 seconds left. And now the first quarter, running score is 7 against 4 points. Score in favor of White Ambassador. Upon correction, party for the lead. The White lead score for the Black team. Basketball game with White.
Wala na sa akin eh.
Tibol raw ako.
Ating ka ka?
Uy, ibon. Ibon ko na gano'n.
Ako. Hindi ka na sa business ko.
There's a rebound. Number 3. 2 free throws. Sanzusan. There's a 14 foul.
Number 5 na position.
Number 5 is position versus number 5.
Ready. Tanawa na, kinsali. Tingkang mo na. Asa mo ba?
There's in.
Purma.
5 seconds, number 23.
Come on. Go.
Paleo po, coach. Hindi ka naging po, kailangan na ito, huwag ka naman ito. Kaya pag mo muna, ako dito sa kinig. Foul number 34. Number 34 is first is on foul. First, shooting foul.
Dalawa tao, isa. Ay, panawatan.
Goes to the free throw line. Horsepower. Number 18 is first ball. Position of the middle. Number 5 is Advance Arma. Number 10 is first. Is second personal fouler. 40 balls. Number 11, Alexander. Rebound for Ambassador White. Mule. 42. Number 5. By number 5. Right score 15 against 11. Get time. By the ladies, you the second quarter, this is yours. Super Rodeo by Civil Beach House. This line down. 477. Number 1 wide. Number 09, no. Number 26 is Inabos. Hindi Arma. Around. Number 9, you guys have Gillet using the glass. Circle by number 18. Number 84, that is Bobby. Number 05. We're tied. 50 all. Number 7 again. This is going five now. Foul number 11. Number 11 is first. They are penalty.
Okay, go.
Jubilees by number 9.
Baksan.
This is first free throw. They are tied at 15 on. Tiebreaker free throw. He misses first. Basizo, second free throw misses also. They are still tied at 15 on. Rebound block for the 79. There is a push. Foul number 27. Number 27 is first personal foul. 3 fouls. Position of block. Hindi nakatawid sa tayo. Number 4. Number 4. Offensive foul. Offensive foul. Number 24. Number 24 is third personal foul. Inabihan ko ito, wala pa yung ito kaya isipan. What are they going to do? Position ng Ambassador White.
Lupa!
Bacon, no! Rebound, block. Abang, huli! Number steal, 133. Lower basket for 10. There is a reason by foul right now. Foul number 4. Number 4 is first personal foul. Three foul. 40 fouls better. Use the first window, number 10. One out of the free throw line, tie breaker, 3 fouls, 16-15. Eight by number 10. Out of bounds.
Here you go.
Ariana, no. Rebound number 10, Texas Indios. There is a foul, foul number 3. Number 3, get on the rack, number 3, is a personal foul, penalty. What means for a penalty? Aligado ng free throw line. Wala na rebound, free throw lang. He made his first free throw. 17 against 15, mayroon po ang free throw si number 10. Number 10 scores 3 points in the free throw line. That's the first half of action. That is for 17 on block, white 15. Half time.
Boss, pwede na ito, boss.
Third quarter. Position arrow goes down. Right position. Counter steal, number 2, Ramos. Iniwan sa gitna, he fires for rebound on right position.
Ay, kota.
Shot clock 16. Bastilizo. Baseline jumper on Zubas. Rebound block. Aligado number 7. Muntik na mga recovers. Taking number 12. Miss. Offensive rebound number 12. Jurame. Muntik yang mahal. Position right, 09, Basilizo. Number 09, SP, miss. Reverse buka. Yes, sir. Good for 2. By number 13. First to play, number 13, there is Rizzo. Foul number 13. Number 13 is first personal foul. First team foul on White. Trophy goes to the given on Aligado number 7 for the block. Their time is 17 on third quarter. This is your similar brought by That Big Sure. This is the first free throw. Second free throw. One out of the tie free throw for Aligado. Arowana dengan skor 18. Abang ulit. Lead by number 18. Position on white. At the baseline, one pass. Yes, basket and one. Basket down, foul number 3. Official timeout, official timeout. Stop right, official timeout. Bonus free throw. The beginning of drive, equalize the ball game by number 12.
Get out!
3 minutes was completed, the tie at 21 out. Baseline right, yes. Offensive rebound number 12. Agawa sa football. Pinigay kay number 9. Short. Rebound. Yak Aria. Yak number 13 corner. No. Instead, service line. Red line violation. Sana. Ang anak papasok ulit. Position on number 9 for the white, 5 minutes and 30. Number 12. Foul. Foul on two good to set up on Henry Junior. Foul number 9. He, number 9 is first personal foul number 9. Good foul for the white. Pasok ang unang free throw. Ay, dito free throw naman ang mga block sa free throw line. Hindi may number 12. Second free throw, 2 free throw line, walang mintis. For number 12. 23-21. At ang medal, organized na ball game, no! Naibaga naman ang bigay kay Ali Gano ng Hansel. At ang medal, corner pass to the corner, sure! Ang gawan sa baseball, ako sa mga baseball pass, binigay kay Anganan, yes sir! Wala tayo at 23. There is a little foul on number 9, hit 2 blocks. Number 9 is second personal foul, 3 blocks. Tie free throws. Mrs. Burns. Namali, the vertical line made by Alugado. 24-23.
Ayaw puta! Ayaw puta!
That is a foul holding foul happened around. Foul number 27. Number 27 is second personal foul. First foul on block. Shot clock 16. Indication clock. Number 3, teardrops, no. On the corner. Ibigay kay number 3 ulit. Shot 7. 5-0. Number 18 missed the jumper. Press 14. Ibigay kay number 18. Shot clock 11. Shot clock 9. 3 seconds violation. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Third quarter. Position on Aligado. Aligado, no! Agawan sa football. Tapos na Aligado puta. Yes, sir! 26-23. For the block made by number 7 on Aligado. Advance. Under 2 minutes to play in this third. Number 32. Aligado to the pass to the corner. Pass. Catch on feet. Slipper to 88-23. Nice layup by the wide. 25-28 by number 09. Huli.
Lucy!
Foul number 12. Number 12 is first personal foul. Two fouls. Timeout sa Pasarero Black. Ang ngayon muna si Head Coach GC Kaniyala muna Pasarero Black. Game time. Right score 28 on black, white, 25 position wide. The a minute and 2 remaining. Third quarter, this is War Center provided by Hot Beach Shirts. And also then by Trivial Beach House, just visit Trivial Beach House for Saturday. Or great beach party, just visit Trivial Beach House in the Punta Ilano, Lapu-Lapu City. All the decision. Well, three accommodations, top 4 teams in the season. All categories are free accommodations at the Trivial Beach House. For the shot clock, backward violation. Number 10, side step, one move. Hindi na pumalo. Rebound on one. There's a push. Foul number 5. Number 5 is 6 personal foul, leading fouls. Ocho segundos. 5. That's our third quarter running score. 28 on black, white, 25. Good time. Baseline out, baseline down, use the last basket and one. Foul on number 10. A foul on number 9. Number 9 is third personal foul, first foul. Bonus free throw to begin at number 27. It was completed 31-25. Game by number 27.
Kuya, ayaw puta, ayaw puta. Pagkaharap.
Number 11, binigay sa corner. Nilig sa gitna, shot clock 15, and downtown, no. Agawan sa football, recovered by Young R.E. Young. Shot clock 9. There is a pick on my foul now. Foul on number 13. Number 13 is third personal foul, first foul. Number 11 to the corner, he fires short. Agawan sa football, may gaman sa the block. Number 11. Number 3, Huli. By number 12, there's a hanging ball coming around. Foul number 3. Number 3 is third personal foul. 2 team fouls for the wide. A first team foul. Sabra. Young R.E. and Young R.E. is in the game for the wide. Number 10. No. So hard. In the last position for the black number 10. At the downtown number 18, Ilboy. Rebound number 24. Number 24, binigay kay number 10, number 13. Balik kay number 24. For the target, fullback number 13. Lapangan ang napupuntos, double digit lead. Hit by number 13. There is a result, foul number 11. Number 11 is second personal foul, 2 team fouls. Position on the wide. 5 minutes and 50. At the corner, he fires miss. Rebound on the block. Binigay sa corner number 10, Tudor. Yes, sir. Wala pang sagot sa mga score ng block from the wide. Ambassador Black. Five minutes and 28 remaining. Running score 37 and 55 to enjoyed by the Black. 14 shot, 14 shot. Baseline drive, baseline jumper, yes sir. Counter plays in for the right. Basket and one. Basket count. Foul number 22. Bundesliga. Number 22 is first. 3 fouls. Bundesliga. Bundesliga on. Kim Kong. They will submitted by number 10. Was ball, basket down, ball number 31. He Bundesliga. Running score 31-42. Bundesliga to be given a number 9. Number 09. Highest scoring number 09 is Bonge. 31-42. Bundesliga, they was completed by number 09. Technical line for the game.
Sabi ka, tip ka.
Technical foul number 11 for the game. Number 11 is first. Personal foul. 40 foul.
Ako ba magawasin mo?
Position of black. There is a whistle foul on number 2. Blocking foul on number 2. Number 2 is first.
Time out.
Last time out sa black. Last time out for the black. 2 minutos 28 segundos. Final quarter. Black up by 10, double digit on black. A double digit. Shot. Robin. Sobra ang attack ni Robin. Comments last 80. We are stopwatch in the last 2 minutes in the final quarter. Time still running. Ayan. Last 2 minutes. Number 13. RE. And number 09, George. rebound block. Nakita na si number 9. Masipag ang pasa. Recovers to the corner. To the corner to the baseline. No. Rebound on one. Nawalang bola. Alba. Minute and 31. Minute and 30. Basilisco. Basket and one. Basket down, foul on number 1. Hitting the head, bonus free throw. 36-42. Number 1 is first personal foul, 3 big fouls for the Blacks. Bonus free throw that is received by Cipibel Beats House. Located at Punta Engaño. Leg entry was completed. 37-42. Baseline jumper, number 9. 44-37. Foul on number 12. Number 12 is second personal foul, 14 fouls, 14 fouls. 48 are entering into the penalty after the inbound. American Pride. Number 9 reverse foul. 6 segundos. Number 23, Pedro by number 23. Timeout, Ambassador Wine. Game time, timeout 7 was at for the Wine, number timeout clock. For the segundos, running 4:46 for the Black, White 37. 9 minutes with the Black, position of White. Segundos. At the middle, number 09. Number 09, 3. Potential penalty, foul number 12. Number 12 is third penalty. Potential penalty. Two red loss to give it another line. Penalty situation, we made it first. 41-46. Second free throw. No more timeout for the Black, White, 1 timeout remaining. Over the line. Segundos. There is foul number 9. Favorite to 2 free throws. Good things are penalty. Number 9 is White. Good things are penalty. pa rin. O, number 9. Late release for the shooter. Early entry. Atlanta Short. 30 segundos. Foul number 11, 2 rebounds penalty. Number 11 is kick out personal foul. 2 rebounds penalty. Make the first free throw running score 47-42.
Hey, ano kita sa anis din na nga. Nagtira, paghindi. Nagtira, pagyan na rin.
Huli, Kiko! Naman ang final score, 47 on black, 42 on white.
Ay, ganito.